My name's Victoria. I am from Brisbane. I work as a lawyer and I love to cook and I love to eat, most importantly. Absolutely. I had a ball. I had much more fun than I thought it would be. Yeah, it was fantastic. Probably two things I was worried about. One was getting time away from my job, but even though I was lucky enough to attend each week, I found out that if you miss a class, you can make it up in the next round. So I was put at ease. And then the second thing was I'm not good at desserts, but the great thing about the course has been it's shown me how easy it can be, and so many different types of desserts. It's made me a lot more confident. Absolutely. I think braising meat and how easy you can do it. We did a pork belly and we did the slow cooked lamb shoulder this evening. And then turning that kind of presentation with the plate with all the different purees and using all the culinary bling to jazz it up. It's been fantastic. I happen to be, in a month's time, taking a year off work to travel around the South Pacific on a boat. I'm going to live on a yacht with a small galley, and all I'm going to have time to do is fish and cook, and I really wanted some more skills to be able to do that confidently at sea. Absolutely do it. Have a look online and you can see all the amazing things that Chef Mel will teach you, and take it from me, if you love food, you'll love the course. Oh, this? Here's one I prepared earlier. It's a vanilla glazed donut with pistachio crumb and rose petals, which makes it look $15 more expensive. I like them all. Chef Mel has us laughing every 5 minutes. And by week 6, which is tonight, we are all quoting them back to her, which is pretty funny. It's something we all share together.